Guys, look what came through the post today, all the way from the Cozy family in the United States. Let's open it and see. Big box, a lot of tape. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, hold up. What's this? It's a teddy bear. It's a fully PPE protected teddy bear. Look at him. How cute is he? Wow. He is super cute. So that's beautiful little teddy bear there. Oh, look, he's even got a name badge. For all the live chats from Marsha and Bridget, for you in the springtime in your garden. Oh, let's have a look. Let's open this. Let's take a look. There we go. Oh wow. Leave room in your garden for the angels to dance. Look at this. Well, how beautiful is that? That will definitely have to go up in the garden. Beautiful etched plate. Wonderful. I don't know if you can see it with the gaps in the back. There we go. The angels will definitely be playing in the garden. And some wrap. What is in here? Whoa, look at this. There's 2 items in here, not 1. You know what? I want to read the cartoon. It's Garfield. Good old classic Garfield. Shame to have to tuck in, but inside. What have we got? Christmas jumpers. Christmas delights. Let's see if we can get into this. You'll have to save this for next year. Oh, it seems like there's a way to open it from the top end. So there we go. What's this? We got. That's not me at Christmas because I'm not boned. But there we go. Look at that. It's almost like Halloween-y type Christmassy thing. So we'll definitely use that for Halloween videos. And there's a second one in here. Let's open them up. What do we have in here? Wow, this is very festive. Let's open this. So this has actually got a sealer. There we go. This is a much easier way of getting in. Oh, wow. Look how colourful this one is. Oh, wow. Pink flamingos. Merry Christmas to you all. There you go. So 2 lovely Christmas jumpers and some cards. Dr. K, let's open it and take a look. Let's see what lovely card we have in here. Season's greeting. Oh, you're the best from Marsha. Dear Dr. K, a collection of postcards for you to put with your collection of pictures of cysts and lipomas from your patients. Lots of love, Marsha. Clothing from the sisterhood of Marsha, Belinda, Sidji, Sherry, Caroline Tom, Janet, Carolyn, Gail, Bridget, and Alessandra. Well, thank you all so much for this little cutie and this beautiful swag. Thank you. And you can catch me every Sunday at 8:30 Greenwich Mean Time on YouTube. Till then, take care.